So here is the best coupon code for Temu right now. You can click on my link down in the description to get your $100 coupon bundle and use my code ACR697477 to get 30% off. So first of all, go over to temu.com, and as you can see, I'm already in the website. Here, scroll through the page and look at the different items and offers they have. And as you can see here, they have different deals that are currently active. So scroll through the page and look for any products that you want. I will go with this speaker handle right here. And as you can see, the price is already discounted. And once you're in the product page, go ahead and select the color or variant you want, and then click on Find Similar. Now choose the best option from here. After that, click on Add to Cart. Now click on Go to Cart from here. After that, from this section, you will need to click on Checkout on the right. Now just type in the code ACR697477 and hit Apply to get 30% discount. And as you can see, the price has been further reduced. So click on Submit Order to confirm your order.